imaging sound effects. Over.
Turn up your radio.
This is the radio imaging effects library.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is FX. Alright, here we go. Imaging effects library. Over 1600 effects. Download now from Air Media. It's somewhere out there. Oh shit, what does that? Did you really have to swear then? Look, let me just create the trailer, alright? Outside somewhere in the universe. Wow, have you seen this? Is this like outer space? Yeah, it's amazing. But it's still out there. What is? I can't see anything. Uranus is in the way. It's massive. Yeah, you ain't joking there. It's still out there. What the hell are you on about? What's out there?
The Imaging Effects Library.
What the hell is that? This is the Air Media Imaging Effects Library. Download it now from the website. Over and out.